We designed ANTARES with a specific keyword in mind: optimization. For us, optimizing primarily means reducing waste in a delicate phase of printed circuit board production. What separates a multi-layer panel from becoming a PCB or a scrap at this stage is a matter of a few microns, and the bad panels, halfway through the process, cannot even be recovered to produce other circuits but will be discarded, causing the company to waste the cost of materials and the time that operators and machines have used to bring the panel up to that stage. To reduce the issue of scraps, we worked on two fundamental factors. One, the calculation of the best position of tooling holes. This ensures that only panels with shift between layers and a certain tolerance will be sent forward to the CNC drilling. Two, data collection and their analysis. The ANTARES collects all the measured positions of the targets, scale and registration errors in an output file. Analyzing these data, it is possible to find corrections to recover immediately those panels at the limits of tolerance at the CNC drilling stage, to identify corrections for the upstream processes like layup or pressing, to improve their quality. That is reducing the issue of the shift between layers. This not only brings great economic advantages in terms of waste reduction, but also provides great peace of mind to the entrepreneur who, as a supplier, won't have to keep their customers waiting for delivery. For us, optimizing means saving time and money to dedicate to company growth.